Highly recommend it, and I'm not being biased whatsoever. No, it's going to be really interesting. We pretty much are going to raise your hurricane IQ from anything from how they form, historically what they've done, what letters to look out for, pretty much everything you need to know about hurricanes, especially here in the Carolinas, in 1 hour. So why not, right? 80 degrees, that's what you're expecting for a pinnacle right around the Charlotte area. Today, all in all, is going to be a mostly cloudy to an overcast one, so not as sunny as what we saw yesterday by the back end at least. And our muggy meter also thriving and jumping into the upper 60s. Whenever you have the dew points closer to 70, you're really feeling it, and you can already feel it this morning. You definitely are going to have to watch out for some of those passing showers and storms later on this afternoon heading into the evening, but I think tomorrow is the day that we're really highlighting. That's the day that we're going weather alert. But for today, our window of opportunity for any pop-up thunderstorms, it could be a little bit stronger variety. That's between about 3 and 9 o'clock. So heavy rain, isolated hail, and strong winds will be a possibility, but this is very isolated. This isn't as widespread as what we're calling for tomorrow, but here's what that looks like. 9 o'clock, still dealing with some patchy dense fog, by the way, so it is still going to be a foggy morning from place to place. But 2 o'clock is where we start to thrive some showers right between about Morganton, Taylorsville, off towards the north. Now, it's closer to about 2 to 4 that we see our first signs of thunderstorms developing across the Charlotte area, especially south of I-85. And I think that's going to be the name of the game, because I think our best chance for storms is really the back end of that window from Lancaster over to Wadesboro. Right here, things start to really jump. And then even though this is outside of our window, still a chance for rain by the back end. I just don't think you really have a chance for a strong thunderstorm at that point. Tomorrow's forecast, interesting. We're dry, I think, for the first part, so I think you can ignore that 20% that's just randomly there. But by about 2 o'clock, that's where we up our potential for showers and thunderstorms. So our weather impact window to stay weather alert is between about 2 and 8 o'clock, and you need to watch out for gusty winds and large hail specifically, and it's time to be weather aware. Here's what that looks like. It's right around noon. We start to see it embrace the mountains. It starts to become stronger between about 2 and 4 for the Charlotte area, and I think especially pieces or little bowing segments, and that looks to be primarily south of Charlotte, that's going to impact the late afternoon. It should be a pretty quick mover in and out, and after that we have a relatively dry weekend, just a slight chance for an isolated shower and storm each day. So again, weather alert for tomorrow, lower 80s, staying dry most of your Saturday and Sunday, and lower to the mid 80s even Monday through the middle of next week.